Alright, so this glance feature on your Motorola phone can get kind of annoying. So let me show you how to turn it off. First, we're going to unlock the phone and go to the settings. Now, you might see the settings on the home screen, but if you don't, just swipe up, go to the app drawer, and find your settings there. The search is also handy for finding stuff. Once you get to the settings, we're going to scroll down to Home and Lock Screen, and then go to Lock Screen, and within the Lock Screen menu, look for the section that says Smart Lock Screen. We're going to go there and just toggle off the Smart Lock Screen. Your phone might ask you how they could make it better. You can answer if you want, or you can just skip that. Now, that should turn off the feature and remove it from the lock screen, but sometimes you might notice that even after you complete those steps and you toggle it off, you'll still see it on your lock screen. If that happens, we have another way to eliminate it. Go to Settings, and then you can search for Glance. Or you can go to Apps, and then from the list of apps, find Glance. Once you're on the app info page like this, you'll just tap Disable and confirm that you want to disable the app. After this, the app won't be running in the background on its own, and your lock screen should be nice and clean. And if you change your mind, you can always go back and enable the app again. Click that like button if this helped, and subscribe for more quick guides like this. Thanks all, until next time.